So what I can say is, so we understood this jQuery thing. So why we need to use the jQuery and all those things we understood. Now what I want to do is, so okay, fine. So let's leave about those other things. Let's move on to the jQuery. Now jQuery was developed in 2006 only. So it was developed in 2006. I didn't remember exactly. If we search in jQuery in Google, let's see what. So it was developed in 2006 only. Here you will be able to see. For example, if I 26th August initial release. So initial it was introduced in 2006 only. So now, so 77% of the most popular websites and all those things, jQuery is using it. So 77% of the most websites and all those things, still jQuery they are using. Now let's say that what I am trying to say is jQuery, right? So now jQuery was developed by a person called something like John. So John Resig or something like that. So here we'll be able to see the name also. Yeah, here you're able to see it, right? So this is the main guy who has developed this guy. So John Resig. This is the main guy. So when he developed the jQuery, he was around 22 years only. So he is the guy who has written the code, John Resig. And when he written the jQuery, he was 22 years old. So at the time only. So he has written this jQuery for his project, so that the repetition of the code and all those things, the Internet Explorer and all those things I have explained you, right? So those are all the things in order to remove those all things. So he has written the code jQuery, and then afterwards it went on, became the widely used JavaScript library in the world. So it's after this one, so it went on, became the most popular JavaScript library. So this is the main thing. So now he has developed his own project. That one is, so he's his own project, and he has developed this one also. All the people has also used. So after 6 years, so down the line from 2006 onwards to something around after the 6 years, so he has established a foundation that is nothing but a jQuery Foundation. Okay, so jQuery Foundation, it is a non-profit organization. It's a non-profit organization. So in this organization, so this organization will work for the development of jQuery. So that means introducing the new versions, so launching the new versions, and also the other supported libraries like jQuery UI, jQuery mobile, like this we are having, and supported libraries like jQuery UI and jQuery mobile, like this we are having some other libraries. So these are all supported libraries. So this is an organization. After 6 years, this Jason Rigg has established a jQuery Foundation. This is the foundation, and it's a non-profit organization. So it works for the development of jQuery. So and later versions and all those things, this organization will take care of this jQuery. So that is the main thing. So now until 2019, up to the 2019, jQuery was maintained by jQuery Foundation only. So jQuery Foundation only has maintained this jQuery library until 2019. So afterwards, what they have did is, so in 2019 or something like that, so we got a Node.js. Okay, so before only we got the Node.js. So Node.js was developed. It's a server-side language. So server-side runtime, actually we can say it as a runtime, not language. So when it came, so it was developed under Node.js Foundation. So it was under Node.js Foundation. This is also a non-profit organization, but it works for the development of this Node.js. So Node.js Foundation has been there. So from 2016 onwards only it was there. Now in 2019, both Node.js and also the jQuery Foundation. So these both organizations has merged. Okay, so these both has merged, and they have not founded. So they have established a new foundation that is nothing but an OpenJS Foundation. So this is the main thing actually. So this is the OpenJS Foundation is the main organization which is taking care of this Node.js, jQuery and all those things. So not only Node.js and jQuery, there are a lot more libraries also it is taking care. But I am trying to explain you. So how the evaluation of jQuery came one by one, step by step. Right now, the jQuery is maintained by the OpenJS Foundation. Apart from jQuery, they also maintain Node.js and all those things also. So if you try to open this OpenJS, for example, if I go back, so here somewhere they will be having OpenJS. Oh, they are not having here. So let's try to open this OpenJS. Try to see. So this is the OpenJS Foundation. if I open this one, OpenJS Foundation, so this is the thing. So here you can do the certifications, Node.js certifications and all those things. So whenever you want, you can do it. So what are the projects they are implementing? So projects means nothing but Node.js, and these are all the projects only. So here, these are the things which they are taking care. So this is a OpenJS Node.js server, and this is a jQuery, so which we are trying to learn right now. So these are all the projects which they maintain. Dojo, okay, this is a TypeScript framework, and here Node.js, Electron, and also the Webpack. It's a module bundler. And the larger projects. So these are all the libraries, and here you can able to see some of the tools which we will be using more often in our programming development. So these are all the things which we are not using right now, but long back. So these are all important, so which we are using these all things. Express is also a framework for the Node.js. Mocha is a testing framework. Moment is a date framework. So like this we will be using. So these are all the things are maintained by them. Incubation projects means you can see that they are going to be ended. So these projects are going to be ended. Ended means they are removing. So going on. So these are all the things which you will be saying. So they are going to be removed. Not incubation is what? Not, I don't know. The process of completing their onboarding checklist. Okay. So they are finishing it. So not removing these all things. So I thought just when I see the just is not going to be removed. Okay, fine. So I think this emeritus, I think. So this is the projects which are going to be removed. Are those which the maintainers feel have reached or nearing end of life. So that means they are going to be deprecated, I think. Require.js, so it's a module loader. So it was taken by the Webpack. jQuery UI, so this is also going to be ended. jQuery mobile, this is also going to be ended. So that means jQuery is the only thing which is having right now in the active development. So these are all the impact projects. Impact projects means which they will be having so much of development, maintenance, long-term support. These are all the things which you will be having. So this is the OpenJS Foundation right now. So this is the main for the JavaScript. So what this main motto of this one is, so they will support the JavaScript and also the web ecosystem. So this is the foundation which supports the JavaScript development and also the web ecosystem also. So this is the brief introduction of this jQuery. So that means brief history about the jQuery. So what is the jQuery? Who has developed this jQuery, and how the jQuery has evolved. So phase by phase, how it has been evolved since 2006, and now where it is right now. So now where it is right now. So we have seen these all the details. So now it is a part of the OpenJS Foundation. So it is not a part of this. What I can say. It is not a part of this jQuery Foundation. So OpenJS Foundation, again, it is a part of the Linux Foundation. So it will be going on. Okay. So Linux means you already know about this, all the Linux and all the things. So I don't want to go beyond the scope of this project concept. So this is the thing. Okay. So these are the main thing which I want to tell you about the history of this jQuery.